we're gonna learn Korean pronouns. Pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, etc. We will begin with singular pronouns. In Korean, some pronouns are divided into informal and formal. For example, I informally will be 나, I formally will be 저, you informally will be 너, you formally will be 당신. But 당신 is a very tricky word. Technically, it's a polite way of saying you, but I highly recommend you to not use it. For example, if a person is in front of you, it's very rude to use 당신, even if this person is around your age or even younger. So then when do we use 당신? The word 당신 can be used between married couple, lovers, couples, etc. In songs or literature, 당신 is not rude, but it indicates some kind of poetic stuff. Since in literature and songs, the person is not right in front of you, right? If you want to call someone, it's kind of like rude to say you, 너, 당신. Even in English, it sounds a little bit rude. So you can use following words. If you want to call a middle-aged man, you can say 아저씨, 아줌마, middle-aged woman, 할아버지, elderly man. You can also use this word to mean grandfather. 할머니, elderly woman. It also means granny. Imagine you are in a restaurant and you want to call the waiter. So in this case, you will say something like 저기요, 여기요. It means over there, over here. If you want to refer to a teacher, you can use the word 선생님. In other cases, it's always better to use name of a person or job title or etc. stuff. He, formally and informally, both versions, is gonna be 그. She, 그녀. 녀 from Chinese means a woman. Actually, a long time ago, Korean people used both for female and for male, only one word 그. But in 20s, 30s, they started using the word 그녀 to mean she or woman in order to translate directly from English to Korean, some English poems, texts, etc. For the word it, you can use three variants. 이것, which means directly this thing, 그것, that thing, 저것, that thing over there. 이 means this, 그 means that, and 저 means that over there. And 것 just means thin. For example, 이 사람, this person. 그 고양이, that cat. You can put also other nouns next to 이, 그, 저. But how to say it is blah blah blah. For example, to say it's boring, you can say 이것이 지루하다. In the word 이것이, 이 is a subject marker. We'll learn about this stuff a little bit later in this video. But usually, all pronouns can be just omitted in Korean. So you can simply say 지루하다 to mean it's boring. For example, you're watching a movie and you say 지루하다. And your friend next to you already understands that you're looking at movie and you say 지루하다, it's boring, so of course he or she means that it's boring, that the movie is boring. So it's pretty understandable from the context. Now let's learn some tricks. 것 plus 이. 이 is a subject marker. It's going to be shortened to 게. Of course, you can say both ways. 이것이, 그것이, or 그게. And that will mean the same thing. Yes, Koreans love to shorten everything, like we do the same in English. And the word 것, which means thin itself, can be shortened to 거. For example, 이게, 이거, 그게, 그거, 저게, 저거. But in most cases, please remember that we do not actually use pronouns in Korean. It's always better to use name of a person, job title, or etc. stuff. Also, we have other ways to refer to a third person singular. 이, 그, 저, I. This, that over the child. If you want to refer to a child. But this can be shortened to 얘, 걔, 쟤, which means This, that over there, guy or girl. 이, 그, 저, 사람. This, that over there, person. 사람 means person. 이, 그, 저, 분. It's very formal. This, that over there, person. 분 means a person, but very formally. Now let's talk about Korean plural pronouns. For we and you plurally, we have both versions, informal and formal. We informally will be 우리. We formally will be 저희. But the word 우리 is also used in formal cases, situations, so you may not worry about that too much. You informally will be 너희들. Pay attention that it's plural you. You formally will be 당신들. But we all remember the usage of 당신, so be careful. And the word for they has only one version, informal and formal, it's 그들. Now let's talk about subject marker. 이가 is a subject marker. 이 is added to words that end on consonant. 가 is added to words that end on vowel. 이가 plus 나, which is I informally, will be 내가. Pay attention that it's not 나가, but it's 내가. 이가 plus 저 will be 제가, not 저가. 이가 plus 너 will be 네가. I know you're so confused about that, like, it's written 내가. Why do I pronounce it as 네가? This word is an exception. This was made in order to not mix up 내가, which is I, and 내가, which is you. So I will be 내가, you will be 네가. 은는 is a topic marker. Is added to words that end in consonant. 는 is added to words that end in vowel. To be honest, subject marker and topic marker, they both mean like I am, you are, we are, etc. stuff. But they also, of course, have their own non-similarities. 은는 plus 나 will be 나는. And this 나는 in speech can be shortened to 난. Subject marker and topic marker, they have their own differences, even though they are kind of like similar, but they are not. For example, you can say 내가 예뻐 or 난 예뻐, and these both sentences, they mean I am pretty. But we will talk about differences between subject marker and topic marker in our future videos. 은는 plus 저 will be 저는, and it can be shortened to 전. 은는 plus 너 will be 너는, and shortened to 넌. 은는 plus 우리 will be 우리는, which is we, and it can be shortened to 우린. Let's talk about pronoun plus 의. In this case, this will be pronounced as 에. 에 is a possessive particle. For example, you use it to say something like my, it'll be 나의, 저의, or it can all be shortened to 내, 제. 나의 is informal, 저의 is formal. 내 is informal, 제 is formal. Your will be 너의, and it can be shortened to 니. In this case, this will be pronounced as 니. It was made again to not mix up 내 and as my and 내 as your, so your will be pronouncing it as 니, but we spell it as 내. His will be 그의, her 그녀의. Our will be 우리의, but in most cases we just simply say 우리. There will be 그들의. Let's look at pronoun plus 을을. 을을 is object particle. 을 is added to words that end in a consonant, and 를 is added to words that end in a vowel. me will be 나를. It can be shortened to 날. 저를 will be 절. You, as in I love you, will be 너를, and it can be shortened to 널. Him, her will be 그를, her will be 그녀를. us will be 우리를, them, 그들을. I'll say a very cute and sweet sentence and you try to understand what I'm saying. Try to write it in Hangul in comments and also do not forget about the translation of it. I will be checking this out. So the sentence is 난 너를 사랑해. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and click on the bell so that you would not miss out any of my new videos. See you in the next video. 안녕!